Hello everyone and welcome back to Hide Shield YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the solution for Sudo Make Me a Sandwich problem. This is an easy level problem for from category General Skills. So this problem says, can you read the flag? I think you can. So there's this instance. We will SSH port actually. We will just log into this SSH port. They have already provided us. So on this web shell, we will paste our SSH command. Here it will ask for fingerprint, just say yes, and the password is already given. So we'll copy this and we will paste it right here. To paste, just press Ctrl Shift and V. If you are using web shell built into this website or even on Kali Linux. So yeah, we are into the system using SSH login. So once we are in, we will just try accessing some files. So yeah, there is this file that is flag.txt. I think it's been a bit easy. But let's see, will the file open or not? We will just okay. So it needs sudo access, and let's check whether we have the sudo access or not. No, I guess we don't have, and if we paste the previous password, nope. So we don't have that access. So to move ahead, what we will do, we will first check actually what access do we have. So to check that, we will run this command, who am I. So we are already logged in as CTF player. So in this profile, we are actually able to run the ls command but not able to get the root access. So what we will do, we will just check for the permissions, what's exactly the issue is. Okay, okay. So here there's a file that is /bin/emacs. This file actually has no password. Okay, we'll just try opening this. Maybe indirectly we can go to the flag, I guess. Just we will try sudo /bin/emacs. I think uh, yep. So a shell has been opened here. So I think now it will be directly accessible, I guess. Like using this, we will try to read uh, that file, as Emacs does not have, or Emacs run the root without a password. So we will try using the same only. So what we will do, we will just get this sudo emacs and flag.txt. My bad, it's actually flag.txt. Okay, yep, and here is the flag we can see. We'll just copy this flag, we will paste it in here, we'll submit it. Yeah, that was an easy problem to solve. We will just stop this server. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope everyone liked this solution. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.